Hey everyone, I hope you're well. Today, sorry, wrong channel. Rosie, go ahead.
Hey everyone, sorry for that. Today I want to try and create the kind of food that Octane might eat. So we're going to be making the most flavorful Mexican dishes we can. The flavor will give you a kick of energy and hit your senses. It would fit Octane's personality perfectly. I'm going to create a rice dish and then a spicy chicken dish. If you want to make them too, you can use the ingredients for burritos, fajitas, quesadillas, or just eat them together on their own.
Man, that was intense! I'm gonna go run a victory lap!
You need to prepare quite a few ingredients, but it will be worth it. Pause the screen for each recipe to write out what you need to prepare. Once you have prepared everything, you can start with the rice. To begin, fry the shallots and garlic in a little oil. Once it smells super good, it's time to add the uncooked rice. Turn the heat low and stir it very gently so you don't break the rice. Once mixed in, add a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon cumin, and a teaspoon of paprika. Mix it in gently. And now it's time to treat your eyes to an explosion of color. Put the diced peppers and carrots into the rice and mix it gently. If the pan is dry already, you can add a spoonful of tomato passata to keep things from burning as you keep mixing. Now add 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder and the remaining 200 grams tomatoes passata. You want to add in enough water to just cover the rice. You see it still poking out. Let the water boil, then bring it to a simmer for 20 minutes. Once it's done, you can put the rice to the side and start making the fun stuff, the spicy chicken. Start with a little oil and the shallots and garlic. Next, add in the diced chicken and 1 tablespoon of the still kicking chicken spice and stir fry until the chicken is cooked. We named it that because it will be kicking as hard as Octane's legs. If you really don't like spice, you can reduce the spice mixed ingredients by half. But remember, we are making food for Octane here, so it's going to need a real kick to get him going. Once the chicken is cooked, add in the peppers and keep it frying for a few minutes before adding in the tomato passata and the rest of the spice mix. Now it's time to add the sliced onions and jalapenos. We use 4, but if it were really Octane in charge of the recipe, I think he would eat at least double that. Bring the heat to a simmer and let the liquid reduce down.
Woohoo, that's got a kick!
It will already be cooked, so give it a taste to see if you like it. If it's too spicy, you can add some water and let it reduce more. Now it's time to bring it all to life. First, we made a cheesy quesadilla. The cheese really helped to balance the flavor of the chicken. To make this, just fry a tortilla with a very small amount of oil and then place your ingredients on one side. With the cheese sitting on top, fold it in half and let it fry for 3 minutes before flipping it carefully and frying the other side. Something tells me Octane would love this. We could also get some salad and salsa and use both the chicken and rice recipes to make a burrito. Here's what everything could look together. The perfect drink to accompany it would have to be an energy drink, but we had only 7-Up. I hope you liked the recipe. What would you like me to cover next? I love you, like always. Really appreciate that each of you watched the video and also leave a very positive comment. I hope that the community that my husband created and the upcoming from mine will help you to have a great day and bring you some positivity in your life. Thank you so much, and we really appreciate all of the support from all of you. Thank you, and I love you again.